So this dove's lost her ear tag, so she's getting a new one.
You got that?
Yeah, and I've already written it down. So the hole's so big, we tried putting small tags in there, but they don't work, so.
Sorry.
We generally only trim feet once a year. We will trim them in between times if anyone gets especially long or looks to be lame.
So this is their main
This is their main
hoof trimming?
time. Yep. This is the girl. If you can get tagged right here. I'm going to check her for entrophion. She's fine. Whoops. She's got her foot in my pocket. Here's the buck. And he has both testicles have dropped.
For a second.
And then we band them.
Trying to pinch you.
He has a bit of a runny eye, has some discharge. The eyelids appear normal, nothing seems to be turned in.
So do you want to mark him?
With crayon so that he's a little easier to keep track of out once he's out in the field.
Now, do you use the marker for anything else?
Anything that we want to be able to find the kid for.
Easily.
So if you have triplets and you're not sure that she's accepting one that well.
We'll mark all the triplets and we'll mark it to match the dough.
She won't
But
get
in
marked
this
over
case,
there.
it's really just the kid that we're concerned about. And I forgot to check her udder before, while I was trimming her feet. And I don't feel any lesions, and the kids seem to be emptying her udder uniformly. So, yeah, she doesn't have a collar. So.
Yeah, I'll take her. You know, grab the kid. What? Got that.
Come on.
Who's better over here? Gonna love it.